In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the login page on Circle. So, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure that your login page not only reflects your personal brand, but also enhances your community's user experience. To get started first, log into your Circle.so admin account. This is your gateway to all the customization options that Circle.so provides. Once you're in, navigate to the login page settings. Here you'll find the option to toggle custom branding. Go ahead and switch that on. By enabling this feature, you're opening up a world of design possibilities for your login page. Next, let's add a more personal touch by customizing the visuals. Click on Upload Logo or Background Image. Choose the files from your computer that best represent the identity of your community and make sure to upload them. Once done, don't forget to click Save. This step ensures that every time someone logs in, they're greeted by your unique brand images. If you're keen to tweak things even further, explore the option to customize colors, button text, and fonts. This isn't mandatory, but who doesn't love a tailored look that complements their branding? After making your adjustments, remember to scroll down and click Save Changes. This secures your stylish settings and brings your cohesive design vision to life. For those eager to streamline the login process, consider enabling social logins. Head over to the settings where you can toggle the enable option for Google or Apple logins. This feature is a user-friendly addition that allows for quick access. Again, click Save Changes to implement these options. Now it's time to see your changes in action. To do this, head over to the test login page. Log out of your admin account, return to the login page, and verify that all your branding elements and social login options are correctly displayed. This step is crucial to ensure everything is functioning as planned for your community members. Shifting gears, let's dive into event hosting within Circle.so. After logging back in, direct your attention to the Spaces section. Choose the specific space where you plan to host your event. You'll then proceed to click Create Post and select Event or Livestream. Input your event's title, description, date, and time. You can also add a location or any streaming link, which is entirely optional. In the Settings section, determine who has access to your event, whether it's for all members or specific plans. Make your choice and click Save Changes to finalize your access details. With everything set up, go ahead and click Post to make your